I appreciate you. Do you think the world is ending? Hell no, Kenny Mouse. No, and I don't mean to hell no at you. I'm just saying that's a misinterpretation of biblical scriptures. Okay, so no, that's a great question. The world is not ending, and it ain't gonna end. You know, so well I can't say it ain't gonna end because man, somebody might blow up something. but God is not making the world end. And I actually did a video on that where I actually link where a lot of those ideas came from. It's called "Will There Be a Rapture?" or something about the rapture. Guys, I do these videos, and they after a few months they're out of my mind. So, but look that up, Kenny Mouse. So there's one, and you can look it up in my playlist, my video playlist, and I actually go into a lot of details about where that idea came from.